Hello and welcome. You're watching Markets at Noon. I'm Kavita Thapliyal and with me is my colleague Shrishti Sharma. Shrishti, what a day. And it's just a Thursday, but the market feels range bound after what happened last time in the US market and as per their Fed policy. We were really expecting a choppy start and a continuation of that, but then that has seemed to have stalled right now.
Well, yes, I think that's the feel in the market, Kavita, right now. The range-bound trading session did continue. While for Nifty Bank, we can't say that because it's 190 points of decline that Nifty Bank is having right now. So maybe getting closer to that lower end of the range band. Other than that, but a lot of stock movers that we are seeing in today's trading session. First up is Eicher Motors leading it from the charts because it's the auto pack that was zooming in trade yesterday as well, and today select counters continue that up move. Eicher Motors all the way upwards, 1.7% of gain coming in on this particular counter. Even in this market, that's commendable. Tata Consumers just had their investor meet yesterday, 1.6% jump, and Titan once again continues to shine bright with almost a percent gain. Select counters within the pharma pack, and that is Dr. Reddy's, Apollo Hospitals, they are doing well. But on the flip side, select IT counters, select counters within the life insurance pack, and select Adani group of counters, they are trending to be lower at this point in time. But we shouldn't complain much given the breadth of the market is not that bad right now. And along with that, the India VIX is also nudging lower with almost 2% of the cut as we speak right now. So the flavor in the market still persists. That's the range-bound trading session when it comes to the index move, but a lot of stock-specific action indeed, Kavita.
Sure. But then let's invite our first guest on the show as well, and let's find out what is his picks for the trade today. I have with me Rahul Sharma, Director, Head Technical and Derivative Research, JM Financial Services. Rahul, hi, afternoon, and welcome to the show. Looking at the market, what are the specific picks that you have for our viewers today?
Yeah, very good afternoon. So it's an interesting time of the market. We are seeing Nifty exhibiting range-bound trade. We are seeing crude oil, which has dumped up. Gold has not really started rallying, and war is something that the market is keeping a close eye on. So in case the escalations do happen, we expect volatility to creep in back into the markets. Keep an eye on these two levels of the Nifty. The first one is 24,450. And the second one is 24,200. As long as these two levels are intact, I think the range bound scenario should continue. Now, in case you want to hedge your portfolio, we are advising clients to get into gold Bs. Gold time and again has proven that whenever there has been a geopolitical instability or whenever there has been escalations on the war front, gold has been a savior, and this time around also we expect it to be the same. So as a hedge, one can look to increase positions or add positions on gold Bs, which is an ETF, essentially gives you a diversification on the asset class. And apart from that, I think the two stocks that look good on the long side, one is Hero Moto. Hero Moto has been consolidating around the 4350, 4400 mark since last few days. And we feel structurally the stock is still pretty strong. One can look to buy at these levels for a target of 47.75, even 4800, and stop loss can be placed at 41.49. So Hero Moto is the one stock that we are recommending to clients. Apart from that, Swiggy is another trade which we are advising clients to buy in delivery. The stock can be bought at these levels for a potential upside target of rupees 400 on the upside in the short term, and stop loss can be placed at 365. So these are the two ideas that can be initiated apart from the gold beast investment that we have recommended, especially given the next 10-15 days where the uncertainty is at its peak.
All right, so that's an interesting take on the markets. If you want to hedge, you can hedge with the recommendation of the gold piece that Rahul just explained us in detail. But Rahul, also give us your take on the overall auto pack, because after a while that we are seeing that this sector is making a comeback. Yes, Hero Motocorp is one of your preferred bets, but other than that, take a look at Eicher Motors, the top gainer in Nifty 50, M&M, Bajaj Auto. Even these counters are bucking up the trend after a while now.
Yes, absolutely nailed it. In fact, we are seeing some green shoots happen on the auto side. So to begin with, it is the two-wheeler auto space, which is exactly the reason why we are recommending Hero Moto. Even Eicher Motors, for that fact, is looking pretty good on the charts. we feel that 5700 to 5800 is very much on the cards. Provided the Nifty doesn't really get into a throwdown mode, from the current range bound setup. So iShares looks good from these levels, can be bought at 5400, and overall we feel that Autopack at least is showing some signs of green shoot. From the four-wheeler Autopack, it is M&M, which looks formidable. And I think this can head its way to a relatively smaller target around 3200 is something that we are expecting in the short term. So we are advising clients to be very stock specific, and at the same time, unless and until Nifty doesn't come out of this range bound setup, it's best to avoid leverage positions and stick to staying in cash or sticking to delivery based investments.
All right, time for stock specific action, and thank you so much for your recommendation and your picks today, Rahul.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.